welcome to a quick blaster box rip of 2021-22 Metal Universe Retail. I've already ripped 2 of these on the channel, went back to Target to get the other 2 that I left on the shelf. One was taken and this one was left, so maybe last box blaster mojo.
You wish.
5 packs, so this will be a quick one. We're not going to do a rip in between, but we will do a last pack slow roll. So let's go. Let's get ripped with one blaster box, a 21-22 Skybox Metal Universe. Like I said, quick rip. Tom Wilson, Tyler Bertuzzi, retro of Alexander Holtz, rookie. We got Blue Spectrum, Cale Makar, Jonathan Taves, Adam Beckman, rookie. And Blue Spectrum is number 24 for Red Wings, Pius Suter. Nice one. Sebastian Aho, Jonathan Marchessault. We got Sidney Crosby on the back, Braden Point, Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, Brock Besser, alternate jersey. And Blue Spectrum,
Dicky.
Ryan.
Fuck this guy.
Quinn Hughes. Fucking the Cheddar of Austin Matthews. First time I pulled one of those. Alexander Holtz, Skybox Premium Prospects. This is chocked full of inserts right here. We got a Blue Spectrum, Cam Atkinson, Dougie Hamilton base, Tristan Jarry alternate jersey, and a Sapphire Skybox Premium Prospects parallel. So let's see who it is. Green helmet, Kalen Addison. That's a good one. I'll take that one for sure.
It's a beaut.
Kalen Addison, Sapphire Skybox Premium Prospects. Yeah, dude is having a very underrated rookie season for the Wild. Putting up really good points in the rookie race for a defenseman. He's got a sick-ass muzzy as well. So, that's a happy one for me. Let's wrap up the other ones real fast. I really like the looks of those. I said it in the last episode. And we got a lot of Alexander Holtz cards in this fucking blaster so far. All right, we got the Cheddar, Austin Matthews. 2 packs left. Alex DeBrincat, Jack Hughes. We got Blue Spectrum right there. Roman Josi, Patrice Bergeron, JG Peugeot, Cam York rookie,
And then
number 19, Alex Newhook rookie. I'll take that one. That's a nice one. Alex Newhook and Stanley Cup champion Alex Newhook rookie, Blue Spectrum. All right, last pack. And we'll do a last pack slow roll like I promised in the intro, since we didn't smoke a bowl halfway through. And so, lights, music, slow roll. Philip Deneau, Victor Olofsson,
420.
As high as possible.
Tyler Sagan, Taylor Radish, Pitter Patter, Brendan Smith, Scott Perunovich, retro rookie, and Blue Spectrum, Timmy Stutzla. All right, well, that was a last pack slow roll and a pretty good one to finish it off. Timmy Stutzla still has to step it up a little bit. I haven't heard much about him in his couple of seasons after his rookie season. But you know what? It happens. Maybe it's because I'm just not in the Ottawa like groups or anything like that, but still. All right, let's go over what we got in this. These blasters are really fun. You get a lot of inserts and stuff like that with the a lot of inserts and blue spectrums and rookies and whatever. So I recommend go getting them if you find them. They're fun to rip, and I'm definitely gonna rip more of them coming up on the channel. So let's go. We got a Pitter Patter insert, 1 in 75 packs, Brendan Smith. A Scott Perunovich 97-98 retro rookie. The Cheddar, Austin Matthews die cut. Skybox Premium Prospects, Alexander Holtz, and a retro rookie of Alexander Holtz. Blue Spectrums that got the sleeve. Alex Newhook rookie. Cam Atkinson. This fucker. And P.S. Suter. Gave Timmy Stutzla a top loader just because I was feeling generous about this, the German. Maybe he'll do better. He'll keep it up. I'm sure he will. He's on a good team. Growing team right there. And then my favorite card of the box for sure was this Sapphire Parallel Skybox Premium Prospects of Kalen Addison. Gorgeous parallel. One of my favorite looking parallels. Can't wait to see these with an auto. Hopefully I'll rip one soon on the channel. Smash like down below. Hit subscribe and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and remember, check out all the other box rips on the channel, and remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you